Hello everyone, this is Yi from Gutsu Boat. Today we share this 7.5 meter Profisher boat, which includes a cabin door. On the stern we can see the client at here, one small engine bracket. The main engine is a single engine, so with this one it can prevent from some emergency. Also here, currently they upgrade the ladder like this, so with this ladder it will not affect your trim tabs. Well, next we'll go on board and see the cabin layout for this one. Trim tab bracket, transducer bracket, one-way valve, cleaning hole. Storage box. On the port side, instead of the two sides lifted table, the client has this passenger seat storage box as well, with cushions on it. Marine toilet, which is optional. Well, that's the layout of this one. 7.5 meter Profisher boat with red hull color and white cabin. Well, we also looking forward your feedback pictures, videos when you receive the boat, when you test the boat, when you drive the boat on the sea. Well, if you have any info you would like to know, you can contact me, leave me a message on my YouTube channel, or if any of your boats in building or ready to be delivered, you can leave me notes. I will check you the video as well. Well, also willing to know your feedback about your boats. Also would be appreciated if you can recommend our boats to your friends, to your mates. Okay. Please contact me for more the boat details, boat price, or no matter you are looking to buy the boat or just looking around. Well, thank you for the watching. Have a nice day.